1 hour smart home here, and today we're going to show you how to set up the Wyze Smart Scale, which we've got right here. So it's a scale but also can do body composition metrics. So the first thing that we need to do is power this thing up, and to do that it comes with 4 AAA batteries. All we need to do is slide this cover off, and then we're going to put our 4 batteries in. Put the cover back on and slide it into place. Now we've got this powered up, and you can see it's already reading pounds up there at the top. But this is a smart scale that will connect to your phone, so we need to connect it to our phone on the Wyze app. So we're going to do that now. If you haven't done so already, you're going to need to download and install the Wyze app, then create a username and password and log in. Once you log in, it's going to take you to this home screen here. So do that now if you haven't already done so. Once you're logged in the upper left-hand corner, there's going to be a plus symbol. Click on that plus symbol, and then you're going to click Add a Device down here at this menu. Here you've got more options, and we're going to click Lifestyle. Once we click Lifestyle, the Wyze Scale series pops up, so we're going to make that selection up here at the top. Now we're installing the Wyze Scale X, which is the latest generation of the Wyze Scale. Now, before you do anything else, it's important to make sure that you have your Bluetooth on and enabled on your phone. And if you're having any trouble getting this set up, make sure that in the Wyze app itself, you have enabled Bluetooth permissions. So how you would do that is make sure you go to the settings on your iPhone, and then you'd actually look at the Wyze app and make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled, which we do. So we're going to go back to our Wyze app right here. And now there's one last thing that we need to do before we're able to set up the Wyze scale. We need to wake it up. You can do that by just pressing on it until you see the numbers appear, and that will allow the Bluetooth to connect. So we're going to click on the Wyze Scale X, and now it's searching for a scale. We need to make sure that the scale is on and you see numbers on it in order to be able to connect it to your phone. So it says the Wyze scale is connecting, and now I'm just going to have a name for the device. I'm going to choose bathroom scale and click save. And then we need to add our information in here. So I've got my information in, it's got my height, and then you're going to click next. Now it's searching for our nearby scale. Please step on with bare feet. So I'm going to step on this, and it's in a room with carpet, so it's not going to be accurate, but you need to do this the first time in order to get it set up with the app so it identifies you. So we'll do that now. Now it measured our weight, and we're going to click OK. So now my weight appears, and I just stood on it in a carpeted room while I was sitting on my chair. You need to be on a solid, stable surface like a wood floor and or a tile in order to get a correct reading. So now that we've done that, we've got our body weight measured, and then it can show you all the other metrics here. So you've got body fat, muscle mass, body water percentage, lean body mass, and those will all pop up when you set on this for the first time and get it set up. And then you can look at those, and then you can actually save these and track what is happening over time. Now, why I like this particular scale is that it does connect to Apple Health, so you can track your weight as well as your percentages of all these other things over time while you're using the Wyze scale. So thank you for watching this video on how to set up your Wyze Smart Scale.